Hello and happy St. Patrick's Day. We have a fun rainbow experiment for you to try out with your family. So Adley and I this morning wanted to see what yellow and blue made together. So we started off with 3 jars. Filled this one full of water with yellow food coloring. This jar full of water, about to here, with blue food coloring. And then the middle jar we left empty. I will get to this jar in a minute. We added that one later. So we have 3 jars, yellow, blue, empty. We rolled up a paper towel and put it from the yellow watercolor jar to this empty jar. Then we got another paper towel, rolled it up, put it in the blue watercolor jar, and had it go over into the empty jar. My family and I went and worked outside, went on a nice walk, and came in a few hours later to green water. The water travels from each jar into here. Isn't that amazing? You do have to let it sit for several hours. I think it took about 2 hours for it to get this full. If you need to help it a little bit at first, you can pour just to show the color mixture. We made predictions about what color we thought that blue and yellow would make together. And my daughter, she just turned 4, she predicted that blue and yellow would make pink or purple. And our prediction was incorrect after we tested through the science process. And that's okay, it's part of the fun. We saw that blue and yellow made green. Then she told me, Mom, I want to add red. So I dug through my pantry and I found not red, but neon orange. So we filled up a cup of water, added neon orange, rolled up a new paper towel, put it from this cup just straight into the yellow cup we had here. And it turned from this bright color yellow. So this yellow cup here turned from this bright yellow to a pretty marigold color. Isn't that fun? You could even do this with a purple or pink. There's so much more you could do to extend the learning. I hope that you try this out and let me know your results. Have a good day. Bye.